Imagine this, bro, you're sleeping. But your money is still working for you. That's what smart people do, they earn while they sleep. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote once and earn commissions 24/7. Number 2. YouTube automation. Upload videos once and keep earning from views while you're offline. Number 3. Digital products. Create once, sell forever, no extra effort. Remember, rich people don't work harder. They build smart systems that work for them. Start today and let your sleep make you money. Follow the Empire Hatch to learn how to make money grow.